Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and I'm here with Audrey, and we just got back from Walmart grocery pickup, and we wanted to show you what we got. This is our little 4th of July grocery haul. It's a one-week grocery haul. You know, sometimes I do Aldi's, sometimes I do Walmart pickup. It just depends on my mood and whether or not we have time to actually get into the store or whatever. So we're gonna show you our groceries for this week for a family of 8. All right, first up we have some chicken breast. Let's see, how much did we get?
It says
we got a little over 4 pounds of chicken breast. And then we got a 5-pound roll of ground beef. We got some eggs. Some corn dogs for summer fun. 4th of July cookies. Root beer for root beer floats.
mashed cauliflower.
Yeah, mashed cauliflower, and then rice cauliflower. Goldfish for the kids. Ketchup. Some burritos. And then French fries to go with hot dogs for the 4th of July, as well as baked beans to go with hot dogs. We got peppers and onions, and then frozen broccoli as well. 2 milks, shampoo for the kids' bathroom. What's that, Ava? Those are brats. So we're going to have hot dogs and brats for the 4th of July. Plus we have ham, cheese, some iced coffee. The animals, the kids like those. Some more frozen snacks, strawberry shortcake bars and cookie dough ice cream. Green beans, and then my daughter requested cranberry sauce.
I love cranberry.
Some more junk food, Whoppers and chocolate chip cookies. You know, this junk food will be gone quick with this many kids in the house. It doesn't last very long, guys. They wanted some Lucky Charms, so I let them get some Lucky Charms, and then we got some of these Honey Nut O's. And then to the fresh food back here, bananas, lots of bananas, mandarin oranges, a watermelon for the 4th of July. Paper towels are always needed around here. Sweet potatoes. Yeah, we got strawberries, tomatoes, plums, mini bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, Brussels sprouts. A little packet of ranch seasoning, coffee, sugar-free syrup, because I'm trying to cut calories in my coffee. Chewy bars. Yeah, we got root beer. They know that. These variety pack of chewy granola bars. The kids like those, as well as chicken nuggets. You gotta have chicken nuggets, right? Then we've got a loaf of bread, and then our hot dog buns are in here. So that was a week's worth of groceries. That was a lot. We did get some sodas that are already in the garage fridge, and this whole total was about $204 for everything. So it's a little bit more than I like to spend per week, but we did get some extra junky stuff, so it all evens out. And a lot of the stuff will last longer than a week, like the eggs will definitely last longer than a week, and then some of the meat and stuff I will stretch out. So for our meal plan, so far what I have figured out is we're having the hot dogs and the brats with french fries and baked beans on the 4th of July. I also have crock pot creamy ranch chicken planned, as well as a slow cooker chicken pot pie stew, and then meatloaf. And I think that's all I have planned so far, but I do have plenty of meat in the freezer to just throw together some meals before we go back to the grocery store next week. So if you like grocery hauls, large family grocery hauls, we are currently grocery shopping every week. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.